What is up, YouTube? What's going on? Alex here from Hoppos and Vic from Hoppos. We're just finishing up the 62 charcoal gray rag deuce. Just finished up the air setup on it, and I'll tell you what, this one was a challenge. This one was fun. Vic didn't like me for a few days because he had to stay late. Did you get in trouble at home, Vic? You probably got in trouble. We all get in trouble when we stay late here. Our significant other or loved ones get mad at us for spending too many hours on these cars. I go home all the time and I get in trouble. But with that being said, Vic's wiping up the car. He got a customer on his way to pick it up. And you want to open up the trunk, Vic? Show him. There you guys go. Got 2 compressor, 3 tanks set up. These tanks are only about a half gallon a piece. We got a hidden tank running slam manifold, full bolt-in air kit, and this is running with universal airbags in the front, universal airbags in the rear as well. So this car, when I said this car was a headache, well, not necessarily a headache, but the time frame itself was a headache. We only had a few days to finish this. This car was scheduled in with us. It was scheduled in to come in. It got pushed back a little bit. It got delivered on a Friday night here. No, actually, no, sorry, Monday. It was supposed to get here on a Friday. California Upholstery did a freaking fantastic job on this upholstery. It looks freaking killer. But just time frame. We were fighting time frame the whole time, and we're fighting, getting chrome back, paint back. But you know what? None of that matters because the car got done, and it's gonna make it for Arizona. If you guys are watching this, Arizona's probably a few days away, or it just passed. Gotta pre-film this, because of course we're not gonna have the car here anymore. So gotta do it. So just getting it wiped up. Yeah. So I'll run it through the whole car for you guys. Here you guys go. Full bolt-in, nice and hard line. Chrome and charcoal gray, matches perfect, blends in seamlessly here. And again, California Upholstery did an amazing job. They killed it on this like they always do. The only thing that's left is toss on the skirts. I know the customer didn't want me to take videos without the skirts or pictures without the skirts, but guess what, Jonathan? Sorry, buddy, I did it. We're just getting it all wiped up, letting it warm up. And then customer's on its way. So now that you guys saw that, I'm running through the nice footage.
all the way or just
Ignition.